How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat. For that case, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account, and when logged in, go to your profile or the Bitmoji icon from the top right. That is going to take you to the official page, and here go ahead and press the gear icon. Right on this page, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll be able to see this option as privacy control. Under it, you could go ahead and click on view my story. So right on this page, you should be able to see some option share information. You could go ahead and see that, and when you're actually on the following pages, you could go ahead and enable only me. And if you're unable to see the option just like me, then what next you can do is you can just exit out of your settings page and then go ahead and take a random snap. Let's say this is the one. Then you could just go ahead and press the infinity loop icon located right at the bottom. When you actually go ahead and do that, then you should be able to stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.